awesome DIY army. I am so happy to see you back here. I am Nicole, this is Fashion Attack, and we recreate incredible DIYs, furniture, clothing, anything. Today, we are gonna try something so cool. Last time that I did this was like 9 years ago, and I did this Christian Louboutin shoes here. But today, we're gonna try something way more feminine and sparkly, and that's this shoes. It's the Christian Louboutin glitter décolleté. They're so elegant, so feminine. I don't think there's any red carpet where there wasn't a star wearing them. I guess we all know that Christian Louboutin is expensive no matter what, but this shoes goes on the market for what? Yeah, we are gonna transform your old pair of shoes for something like $20, maybe less. What you're gonna need is your old pair of shoes, the Mod Podge, the glitter in the color that you choose for yourself, some paper tape, a precision knife, and then a trusty little brush. We're gonna use this for the color and the glitter. This is the color that Christian Louboutin puts himself inside the shoes. It's perfect. Now, we are gonna have to go and tape around all the section where we do not want the red to fall over. The tape is straight and the shoe is not. That's why you're gonna have to make a little bit of breaking of the tape, I would say, so that you can create curves and follow all the line of your shoes. Once we did all the top part, we're gonna have to cover also the heel because the inside of the heel is red, the outside is not. Here you see me ripping the tape a bit more to make the really curvy curve. What a beautiful term, curvy curve. And then there is the heel that instead is completely straight. The bottom of the heel, so the little gummy part, instead is completely covered, and we are gonna want it all black. That's why we cover it up. Here we go. We are ready to cover it with the red paint for this gum of the shoes. Perfect. We go and we are gonna have to make 2 layers of this. I know, guys, that you're thinking, I'm gonna be walking and this is gonna tear off. No, it actually holds perfectly. Obviously, also the original one, more you walk, more it's gonna get destroyed, but it actually stays very well. After we let it dry, we go ahead and make the second round or second layer of paint. It's gonna come out exactly like the original color, super shiny and gorgeous. We let it dry, and once it's completely dry, we go ahead and take off the tape. Now, we are gonna have to do exactly the same work for the opposite section. This means that we do not want the glitter to be on the red and all the inside of the shoe. We're gonna cover all the inside because if the glitter falls inside, it's a disaster to take it off. And also, same exact thing on the bottom. Yeah, now we're gonna cover all the part that we painted. Just follow everything that you see red. Once you're red to the point, it's gonna be a bit challenging, so just get a pair of scissors, cut it out so that the shape is perfect, and then go ahead all the bottom of the shoe, also the heel. So yes, the inside of the heel is red, and we're gonna have to cover it so that the glitter does not fall over there. Now, the bottom part that we covered before, so the little black gummy part at the end, we cover it again because that one we do not want to cover it with glitter. We want it black. That's how the original looked like. Now we go ahead with the glitter. Guys, let's talk about this. I was at the store and we all were looking at the picture. We couldn't figure out what is the perfect color of the glitter because it comes in several shades, but the original one is silver with a bit of blue reflexes inside of it and pink. I just mixed the 3 colors together. But let me know which colors you see inside. Go ahead with your Mod Podge and cover every single section that is not covered with tape. You just sprinkle a little bit of glitter here and there, and you do one side, then you go ahead, add more Mod Podge. Don't do all the Mod Podge at once. Do a section and sprinkle it, section and sprinkle it, because otherwise it's gonna dry in the meanwhile. Now, the trick of doing this on top of a cardboard or a magazine is because you lose so much glitter, and it's so good if you can pour it back into your jar and start over instead of throwing it all away. Now you do the other side of your shoe, and once you covered it completely, you are gonna realize that some little areas did not get the glitter perfectly. No problem, we cover it again with the Mod Podge and then sprinkle it just in the sections that we need. Now that your house is completely covered in glitter, let's have a serious talk. I know that some of you are as lazy as I am and have been thinking, why should I tape it off? I can just put the glitter on top. No, it's not gonna work. I took the liberty of doing the second shoe with that method, and look, it just spreads everywhere. Glitter is completely out of control. I'm not saying that you cannot do it. I'm saying that you're gonna spend twice the energy taking off the glitter after that, and it's not gonna come as good. So just tape it on. Now, let's pass through this. This is lac. You usually use it to seal paintings, like in furniture, but I find that this is amazing to stick the glitter in a way that it's not gonna spread all over the shoe, it's not gonna be lost on the street as you're moving, it's not gonna make your entire closet filled with glitter. Basically, that's what we're doing. Let's untape it, let's spray it, it's ready, and we're wearing it. The shoes are finally done. We are letting them dry here behind me. I don't know if you can see them. It's not getting on focus. Doesn't matter. Focus on me, cause I want to tell you that you should sign up, subscribe to this channel, put a thumbs up, put a comment. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know what colors you actually see in the glitter, because we had a great discussion while I was buying the glitter. What is the colors that are inside? And don't forget to come for more tutorials, because we do so many amazing of them. Let's try them on.